Want to automate your PowerShell scripts so they run on their own? In this video, I'll show you how to schedule PowerShell scripts using Task Scheduler step by step. Whether you need to run scripts daily at startup or on specific system events, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, here's a quick rundown of what we'll cover. 1. Running a PowerShell script with Task Scheduler. 2. Using Execution Policy Bypass to prevent permission issues. 3. Running a PowerShell script as an administrator. 4. Executing a script using a batch file. 5. Creating a scheduled task with schtasks.exe from the command line. 6. Triggering a PowerShell script based on system events. 7. Automating task creation with register scheduled task in PowerShell. 8. Running scripts at system startup. All right, let's get started. First, let's open Task Scheduler, press the Windows key, type Task Scheduler and hit Enter. Once Task Scheduler opens, click Create Basic Task from the right panel. Give your task a name and description. Then click Next. Now we choose when the script should run. You can set it to run daily, weekly, at startup, or even when a specific event occurs. Pick what works for you. Then click Next. Next, select Start a Program and click Next. In the Program field, type PowerShell.exe. In the Add Arguments field, enter -ExecutionPolicy Bypass -file path to your script. Click Next, then Finish. Your PowerShell script is now scheduled. If your script needs admin access, go back to Task Scheduler, right-click your task and select Properties. Under the General tab, check Run with highest privileges, then save your changes. Another option is using a batch file. Open Notepad and enter PowerShell.exe -executionPolicy Bypass -file path to your script. Save it as run_script.bat. Then in Task Scheduler, schedule this batch file instead of the PowerShell script. You can also create tasks from the command line using schtasks.exe. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run this command: schtasks/create/tn mytask/tr PowerShell.exe -executionPolicy Bypass -file path to your script. /sc daily /st08:00/rus system. This creates a task that runs daily at 8. You can also automate task creation directly from PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and enter $action equals new scheduled task action -execute PowerShell.exe -argument execution policy bypass -file path to your script. $trigger equals new scheduled task trigger -daily -at 8 a.m. register scheduled task -task name PowerShell automation -action $action -trigger $trigger -user system -run level highest. This registers a task programmatically, so you don't have to set it up manually. All right, let's do a quick recap. We covered 1. Setting up a basic scheduled task. 2. Running scripts with execution policy bypass. 3. Granting admin privileges for elevated scripts. 4. Using batch files to launch PowerShell. 5. Scheduling tasks using schtasks.exe. 6. Triggering scripts based on system events. 7. Creating scheduled tasks with PowerShell. Each method has its own use case, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Here are some quick tips to avoid common issues. Always test your script manually before scheduling it. Use execution policy bypass if you face permission error. If your script needs admin access, check Run with highest privileges, double check your script path in Task Scheduler. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.